Hello traders. In this video I will review the Night Hunter Pro Expert Advisor. This expert advisor does not use Martingale and grid. Of course this sounds good. Because Martingale, as we know, is a quite dangerous method. Watch this video until the end and don't skip it so you can get all the information. The details that I will discuss are as follows. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free expert advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. How Night Hunter Pro works. It is said here that Night Hunter Pro is an advanced scalping system that uses intelligent entry/exit algorithms and sophisticated filtering methods to identify only the safest entry points during quiet market periods. As I said at the beginning of the video, this expert advisor does not use Martingale and grid to generate profits. This expert advisor is designed for long-term profit trading. You can run this expert advisor on the M5 time frame, and in the recommended pair only. You can see here. This is a recommended pair. You also need to include filter news in your MetaTrader, so that expert advisors can find out when news occurs. This is to reduce the risk of loss when news occurs. Here also detailed information about the results of the backtest. You can pause this video to see the details. The backtest results obtained are quite good with a long backtest vulnerability. Two. Night Hunter Pro Trading Results from 2020. This is the result of trading with default settings. Initial deposit capital of $100 Profit $207 or about 199%. Drawdown is only 19% from 2020. You can see here. This is a detailed result of running Expert Advisor Night Pro every month from 2020 to now in February 2023. Chart of the drawdown looks between as high as 12% and 8%. Next I will turn to statistical information. Total trade 691 transactions. Profit ratio 71%. Profit factor 1.82. The pairs that are run here are pound sterling to US dollar, euro to US dollar and euro to Swiss franc. The maximum drawdown by balance from 2022 is $22.26. Then slippage information based on the broker. As a reference, I will open information on trading results with the extreme method that is run on MetaTrader 5. Three. How to set Night Hunter Pro on MT4. Information only. This expert advisor does not use DLL files. So you should be able to run this expert advisor easily. This is how Hunter Night EA looks when it's running. Enter the URL link to activate the news filter. I run this expert advisor with terminal version 4 build 1370. 4. Download Night Hunter Pro. To get this expert advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at trada.com. Okay, that's the video about the Night Hunter Pro Expert Advisor review. I suggest you to try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month, so you will know how to work from this expert advisor. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thank you.